Hi, my name is Jo. I'm a holistic massage therapist and reflexologist, and today I'm going to be talking about the ears and that we've got so many lymph structures all the way around, and they can become restricted. Flow can be restricted, so sometimes it can allow the ear to get tight, and the jaw as well. So, in regards to the lymph, we've also got fascia, and fascia is the elastic tissues, connective tissues, a bit like cling film, that's wrapped all the way around the body, and they can that can become really tight, and then that restricts the lymph flow. So I'm going to do a bit of massage and a bit of open the lymph nodes, and you can do this for earache, headaches, anything like that, because what it does, things get tight, especially when you're walking around like that with the jaw. So it's just a quick one. Also just want to release tension, basically. It's really, really good. So what you want to do, you just want to go above the clavicle, above the collarbone, and just pump. Use your fingers just to open the lymph nodes. So that allows everything to drain. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get the two fingers and go either side of the ear. So one behind, one in front, and just massage. And just really massage all around. You can do it for as long as you want. I sometimes do like a pull down, like with my fingers like that, and that just opens it all up and allows it to, just doesn't really matter, just like circles, or yeah, circles is the best really. And just keep massaging. You can open the jaw, you can open the jaw a bit, do a massage in there. It's all connected, and you'll feel a little dent there. That's your jaw. That's where it connects, and all sorts of things can get stuck in there. So you just use your fingers and just massage all the muscle there, and it feels quite nice. And that can really, really help. And you can just do that, and then make sure you're breathing when you're doing it to open everything up, the channels. It helps with opening the channels. And what I do, it might feel a bit strange because you might have a lot of tightness and a lot of congestion. Not so much congestion, but the fascia, as I said before, can get really tight. So what you do is you just get your fingers and you pull down the ear, and it can feel quite strange. And you just hold it, and it's just, you don't yank it, you don't do it hard, you just slightly pull it down, and you'll feel an opening, and you can actually pull it to the side. But I tend to just like pulling it down a little bit out and just take some deep breaths. Helps with the muscles, the fascia, and the lymph. And it feels quite nice. And you can do that. And you'll just feel it opening. Again, you don't yank, you just pull. You just hook on and just pull. And it does feel really good. And I usually hold that 30 seconds to a minute, however you feel. And then you just use your two fingers and go either side. Again, and then you drain. Okay, and then you do the other side. You've opened the lymph node, so that's fine, and just massage all behind. It can feel really good. Again, you don't have to go really deep, you just massage, and you can just feel all the tissues and just use your fingers and just massage for as long as you need. Open the jaw. And then pull down the ear. Oh, it just feels so good. And you can slightly, or you can just hold on, and then just, you can actually slightly move your head till you feel some sort of restriction, and just open everything. Obviously, don't do this if you've got ear issues, or you've got an infection, or something's going on with the ear. But if you've got, it's something I tend to do every sort of week, and it just really helps, and you'll feel it open. Massage, and then just drain. And that's it. And it just pull. allows energy to flow. Have a good day.